Hello. So, first thing to do, right to it, is this pull request. So, this one's been open for a while. What is the current day? It is the 13th day. Wow. So, this displays each map check. Great. And then I can build on top of this. Brilliant. Do it. Ooh, cha, cha, cha. Okay. Choo, 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 cha, cha, cha. So it should show up here. What? Oh, that's right. I did a squash comment. Oof. Okay. This don't be needed like that. Okay. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Those. Okay. 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 So, what I was going to try was create a download link and see if someone other than me can download it. Okay, branch. You know what? I I just want to be up right now. Ooh, good map. Oh my god, I'm so fast. Can you make that? I think you can, right? What? How am I so fast? Do you go all? Yeah, no, I guess you go all the way. Oh, you don't. There's no way. I don't think I could beat my time here. It's pretty well optimized. Hmm. Do you go there? I think you do, right? The run on this map is pretty fun. Damn. Okay. Ugh. I should probably go for that one. So, map access. How does that work? What is going on with that? So, I have this idea that the Roblox asset downloads are one-time download URL. And perhaps they're not locked to a single download location. So I can have a download button that you click it, it generates a Roblox download URL using the Roblox API. And that's it. So you download directly from Roblox instead of needing it to be proxied, and it's still like safe and secure because the download URL only works once, so you don't like have a download URL forever. I guess this should be pretty easy to check out. I guess I'll need to like implement the endpoint in Golang, but or even wait, no, it has to be Golang. Oh no, that'll work. Oof. I don't think the backend has access to a cookie though. Ugh, this split backend is so annoying. I just want the whole thing to be in Rust. Man, I was reading about some stuff. How fast? You have to go really fast to hit that. I am way worse at like censoring myself on stream now. Big swear word user. Oh, my keyboard is in the way. Okay, fast. Oh my god. You can do that. Or I can do that, I guess. Where would I even go from there? Like there's not a good route there. That is a lot of curving. Probably the play is to go straight from here to that platform. But I'm moving my mouse over here. And just super gain. Yeah. It looks doable, but oh, okay, that's actually quite doable. I don't know. I'm gonna do it though. Okay. I think I'm done. Okay. So let's make a test program for the thing. The ASS tool. Asset tool. Okay. What if I download URL? Download version 2. Huh. Download version 2 cookie. There's a download API now, though, isn't there? Did I implement that? The cloud. Thoughts on Earth. That is a great chat message. Great for life. Really, really ideal conditions. I feel very evolved to live here. You know, or like it's a great planet. I rate it 10 out of 10. Get asset location. That's what I'm looking for. So it's calling the Scoobert Dewart API. I don't think references. It's only here. So I'm gonna make a function. Download. Do I have a API only? API key. Whatever. Okay, we'll grab this guy. All right. Download. Use inventory. How about download location? Ooh, download location. So it's gonna look exactly like this, but completely different. It's gonna look exactly like this, but completely different. So download location. Boom. And then we can also have hello. Get download URLs for a list of assets. And then boom, boom, do it again. Download location version. Oh. Doctoral advisor on Earth, planet Earth, Urath. Have you heard of it? No? Unlucky. Download location version. Download location version or download version location? Which way around? Blah, blah, blah. So it's going to be download a single asset by ID, blah, blah, blah. The version location. So download a single asset get a download URL. Download URL for a single asset by ID. No way. Optionally specifying? Okay. Oh my goodness. So then up here, we want to grab these guys and download. Oh. Location. But it's not correct here. Cool. Okay, so then, that's how we do. Cookie. API key, okay. So it's gonna look like, it's gonna be a combination. Yes, so we'll start here. It'll be called download location. Wow. And it's gonna say download list locations or something. Download list config, I guess. No, locations. Wait. Do I even need to? I don't know. Huh? So this one, it just goes straight in. It's like, oh yeah, just download it. It's gonna be like that. Boom. It's not the greatest design, but whatever. Oh my god. So I can just do this. That's fine. All right, what do you got? That makes sense. What do you got? That makes sense. Alrighty. What is that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sure. Okay. Cool. No. Huh? Location. Download. Version location. Download location. Okay. So then the next one will be download. Oh, wait. What? Did I just copy the wrong one? Okay. Download location. Download list locations, and then it's gonna be like that. What? Oh, I just pasted it in the wrong one. Confusing. Okay. You done? Okay, so now we have something. So now I need to write these functions. Download list location, download location. Su. It's gonna look a lot like that. A lot like that. We can make it right here. Oh, okay. It's gonna look exactly like that. Download location. Give me that. I can go first? No, it goes second. Okay. The other guy, okay, it's gonna be like this. Boom. It's gonna be exactly like this, but completely different. Okay, so no cookie, no. it do like this. API key is API key. Wow. And then cloud context with the API key. With the API key. Asset ID file map. Damn. Okay. So then this isn't gonna work. Making sense. Oh, there is no output folder. Oh. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so we're going here. There is no output folder. It's just printing it to the console. Yes, sir. So yeah. Okay, so then path, completely not real. Asset IDs. I should just be able to like blast that in, right? I could even like slice it. That'd be cool. Okay. What about this one? So there's just none of that. We don't do that. Yep, no destination. Oh my god. And then location. Wow. And then how do you do this? Asset is that one, right? So then this is a slice. Is that real? And then this is like this. It's a reference. Give me that. And then this is like this. Oops. And then everything works. Hooray! So there's no such thing as file. After that, okay. Yeah. Oh, wait. Question mark. Okay. We don't actually need to do that then. Async move. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, we don't need to do that either. We can just go directly call that saga. Iter map. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm going to need to do this. Iter map. Like that. It likes that? Oh my god. Okay. Wait. No, that is fine because it's lazy. So we can actually into iter. I think this is the same though. I think it'll work the same. Oh, okay, so we're not downloading anything here. We're just printing. Buffer collect? Can we buffer collect? Is that real? I think we can do that, right? I guess we actually don't need to. For loop. Can you do a for loop? Alright, that is download list locations. Okay, cookie. Cloud. Cookie. Cloud. We're using this. Like this. Wow. Real. Okay, so it's not a latest, it's a get asset, right? No. Asset request. Version, obviously. So obvious. What a dummy. Okay. You good? That's not a gzip. We're not reading a file. We're just printing it. Print that a second. What is it called? Who did this? Right. Asset version location. Yeah. We're gonna find the surf Discord server. Strafes.net is probably the easiest way. And you click Discord. Whoa. Asset version location. This is a location info. Okay. And then we just print. Location info dot location as deref. Can I do that? No, there is no deref target. Okay, it just wants as stir. Okay. Cloud. Huh? B. Okay, so right, I guess I should. Oh, what? Oh. Version. It's a different request. I guess it doesn't matter. So I can do match version. So some version, then download a specific version. That one. Otherwise, none version, then download any old version. Or the latest version. Wow. And then we match again. Match asset location info dot location. Some location. Print that second. As stir. Dot location. Okay, buddy. And then none location. Sec. All right, that ought to do it. It didn't. Unlucky. Oh, I have to. Oh wait. Question mark. Semicolon. Okay. Get error. Get error. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Great. So now we have that one. We also need. Why is it async? Impl. FUT. Fold. I kind of want like fold, but print. How do I? Okay, so this is gonna give me this guy. right, let's try. Are you allowed to do like this? Oh, nice. Okay, and then error. Oh, that's fine actually. We good? Dot await. Okay. Whatever. Why is this out here? Get out of there. Okay. I wrote the code. I wrote the code. Set location commands. Wow, it should just work. So I have to go to oh, I didn't restart the computer. I'm gonna have to remember to do that. So I'm building a new asset tool. Strafe asset. And then I'm gonna use it here. It doesn't actually matter, right? Because I'm just downloading a location. So I don't actually know if this is bad. So I'm pretty sure that if I click the link, it'll work. But I don't really know what will happen if someone else clicks it. Be gone, Discord ads. I wish I could stop using Discord forever. That's part of why the website exists, is because then we rely less on Discord. We can move away from it eventually. Okay. So what do we got? We've got manage assets, download assets. Well, that sounds nice. That's probably not active. Huh? Original, really? Sounds like a remix. Oh, I'm gonna need to update the IP addresses. Okay, and it like reactivates it. So it should be the same key still. Good. And then I go like, oh, I want to use that key, man. So I'm like, oh, run it. Oh, run. Then I go like, oh, download location, API key. I don't know how to use this. File. That's exactly what I want. File. Boom, boom, doom, doom. Doom, 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 doom. Works API. Key. Quat. Download assets. And that's almost it. I still need the asset ID. Wow. Okay, so there's some over here. Okay. Does it like, okay, if I go to Roblox wiki open cloud, I guess. Nice spelling. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So it doesn't there's no documentation. There's not like, oh, you can only use this URL once, or like, oh, you can only use this URL from the same IP that you downloaded from. Oh, you can it's just like, yep, here's the endpoint. Figure it out. All right. So I'm going to try to figure it out. Okay. Should give me this URL. It didn't work. Das ist verboten. Was ist das? Okay, is this like, do I need like legacy frick or something? Yeah, okay. Oh, what the hell? Right, right. I shouldn't expect the Roblox API to make sense. I forgot. Okay. God damn. So that is really stupid. Okay. Okay, what exists? There is. Hmm. Okay, I'll freaking log in. Do I even have the... Yes, I need that one. I agree to get destroyed by Roblox. Okay, it's over here. Cloud API keys. What is that? Das ist verboten. Did it? Okay. Okay. Let me just try this. Okay. Okay. It worked. Okay, and I click this, and it downloads. Ooh. Okay, and then what the hell did I just call it? Oh god. Yay. Okay. Okay, can I use it again? Yes. Okay, but I can actually see that it has an expiring thing in here. Let's see. Next timestamp. Okay, so it expires in 1 day. That's fine. 2 days. Okay. Interesting. So you get a download link that expires in 2 days. That seems good. Policy. HMAC. What's a HMAC? Hash-based message authentication code. Authenticity of a message. So perhaps not. Okay. Okay, so I downloaded from this URL twice. I'm going to clear it so it's not on stream. I downloaded. Oh, I saw a flash. I downloaded from a URL. It expires in 2 days. So it might work if other people can download. Ugh. Oh my god. I wonder if there's Golang Roblox API. I could just like use the lib. GoBlocks. Is it real? Last updated. Oh. Help. Can I go to the... There we go. It doesn't exist. Cool. Thanks. Last updated 2022. GoBlocks, GoBlocks. Crikey. 7 years ago. 3 years ago. Man, this would be juiced if it was in Rust. Such a troll. It's like not actually a GitHub link. Is there? How much disk space does this use? Downloads. Yay. Okay, well, it seems like it works. I'm a teapot. Oh. Well, that's fantastic. So I can actually do it like this. We could do like a cached thing. Okay, so I don't actually need to load the file into memory and proxy it to the client or anything like that. I can literally just shove a download link at you and call it a day. Let's see. How to rename a download link file in a download link HTML, I don't know. How to set file name. When they click a button, you can add, you can see, right? Yeah, okay. You can add the HTML5 attribute download where you can set the default file name. Oh, hell yes. Okay, so href. Ooh, okay. Explort. Who was the best beehopper of all time on Roblox? Was? Do they have to be dead? Three feet tall? Hardest working, maybe Laughable Twisty? You're making me want to play B-Hop. Wow, it's the game. What the hell? Uh-oh. Damn! No! I made it. Wow, okay. No lull. Okay. Whatever you say. Can I make that? Yeah, you can probably make that. Maybe not. Do they have thousands of hours? Easily. There they are. So the rank is calculated from the times that they have. So usually you would need to complete all maps and have like better times on average than anyone else. So in order to get the top spot. Ranked, also very hardworking. Like all of these people are very good at the game. And you have this other random metric, which also no way. All right, let's. That's too far as well. Okay, I can do that. I need to climb properly as well. Why don't I have like a 23. Nice. Why did I try to go for that? That's dumb. Leo is very good at strafe maps. So I have heard. So I have seen, actually. Okay, uppity, uppity, up. Oh no, 3 extra jumps. Oh my god, bruh. I'm washed. I don't have a route. I don't know how to get up. Oh my god, bruh. Bro. I guess I just gotta like grind it till I hit something. Uh-oh. Damn. I'm just gonna practice. Nice tree hits. Huge. What? How did I not go up there? Okay, so the black platform there is very good. Oh, oh, oh! I actually beat my time. That's how bad it is. Nice. You can like jump on the ship, can't you? And that's like faster. That's so funny. Okay. Oh, well, that's no good. No. Yeah, you know, you gotta get hit like here, here. Okay, I'm seeing the route. What kind of goofy song is going on here? How do you... 2017. Okay, well that makes sense. It's not actually 80s funk. Okay, so... Wasted a jump, wasted a jump. Up we go. Wasted a jump, wasted a jump. Wasted a jump. That is so irritating. Why did I do that? That's an extra jump. Okay, so seems like that my idea is possible and maybe even intended. So that's good. Why? Why would you even try? So now I need to implement the API in Golang. Why am I here? Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Wasting jump, wasting jump. And it'll still clear. It's really the end. Ugh. Wow. Okay, so I have to hit here, then there, and then there, right? Or I guess, yeah, something. I think I used to have a 21 in the before times. We'll see. Okay, that's acceptable. Oh, does that make sense? That would be kind of hard to turn around from there. Oh, come on. Well, Doriar is tied. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Because you're falling into the ground. It's not. Jesus. Let's see it. This map is so goofy. Okay, so they don't go on the black square. Let's see that again. Small, small. Close. Okay, this is annoying. Map is goofy, but fun. Wait. Oh, you can't get anywhere from there. This is one of those old maps that's actually fun to play. Duh. Still going down. Nice. Ah. Ugh, lost a jump. Okay, I need to practice that. Oh, yeah, okay, let's try that again. There's nothing over here. Okay. Well, I don't think I'm gonna have this speed. That makes sense. That's kind of what I'm going for, but it doesn't really look like it makes much sense. So if you're there, like probably best next jump would be, okay, no, that looks too far. You jump. You want to go to, I don't know, I don't remember the route. How old were you when you uploaded? You want to do math? You don't want to just like know that I'm 29? 2015. So 19, I guess. I'll do the math for you. I'm an old man. So old. Almost dead. 1 foot in the grave. Oh my god. Very speed fast. Wasted though. Does that even make sense? Like, going there is like the same height as like right here. Can I make it up there? No. So I'd have to go here. Here, here. Yeah, no. You want to go here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so the trick then is this jump right here. You go right there, and that secures your finish. Okay. Yeah, so it... Oh. Okay, so... Oh. I guess that's easier, isn't it? No, that's the where the nothing is. It's the nothing area. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so you gotta go like here, here, here. Here, and then you're secured. That's so this goes to there. And that's it. Goofy. Fast? Oh my god. Do they like edge boost or something? 7. Ooh, no. Alright, I'm ready. I'm on the tree. Oh my god, bro. No way. That's why this style is so great. You can just outstrafe all problems. Oh, you have a problem? Just outstrafe it. Oh my god. How do you even get up there? You can just stand on a tree in the start zone. Actually. Alright, I think I can get 21, maybe even all the way down to 19 if I hit the proper procedure. Just gotta not mess up. Okay, here's good. Good. Oh, I thought I could jump up there. You cannot. What? How do they... Okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Okay, so it's like this, and then like that. And then you go straight up. Right there. But then you have to have enough speed to go there. Whoa. I wasted. No, I didn't have enough speed. There's no other map with a climb like that. Where you're just like frantically trying not to bump into things and like lose your speed. No! I suck. Wow. I don't think I'm getting that. Oh, I'll get a better time later. Okay, so you gotta do that. Same origin. Sounds like this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh. I don't know how to make a freaking API in Golang. Nor do I want to. I just want to use the whole thing in Rust. It's probably really easy and ergonomic. Like Golang is made for this type of stuff. And no coffee today. Well, I tested it. I figured it out. Wow. Can I use my library? Please. I think this is gonna be hell. Alright. Bro. Okay. I need to actually like scour the Umbral Plains. Okay, just link the library, man. Jesus. This is hell. I ain't doing all that. So there is no library. There's just, oh yeah, go patch the compiler. Great. Okay. It's just not an option. I really don't want to write it. I already did. Wait, that was something else though. Hold on. This guy is the releaser. Release submissions. Oh, no, it's literally just no problem. Okay. Bad experience. Yeah. Well, I'll check out the one that you mentioned. Asynchronously. Oh, what the hell? I guess that's what I need it for. Oh. I guess you need like a... Yeah, okay. It just doesn't... It doesn't have what I need. Call rest from Golang asynchronously. I didn't even think about async. I was like, oh yeah, you just call a function, but no. I think I just need to re-implement the API. I have no idea how to do that. Like I would... You know what? It's ChatGPT time. All right, I'll take my code. That works. But I don't care about that. Okay. And dump into the ChatGPT. Rewrite this in Golang. This guy's just a string. Check. So yeah. Use that teaspoon of water. Yeah. Pointer to string? What the hell? Why would it be a pointer to string? Okay, so it's... non-standard style. Okay. I don't actually need all that crap. Custom error type. Do not care. Well, pointer. Defer. Alright, thanks. Alright, let's call it something dumb. No. Boom. Wow. Let's go. And then it's not main. It's freaking Roblox. Let's go. See, we real. So we don't. Really? Is that how you. What? Okay, I guess. Okay, so this guy doesn't need to be like that. IO util is deprecated. Okay. So we want like that. Okay. Cool. Mm-hmm. Client. HTTP client. Oh, god damn it. Gonna need to like strap this onto the service. Alright, well, at least. Oh, pointer to string because it's optional. That sucks. Actually, Golang would just like dump an empty string on you, wouldn't it? So, that's fine. I love it when it dumps an empty string on me. Why is there extra spaces? What? So they're doing this to pass by reference. It's boxed. Okay. Well, that was very convenient, I must say. Where the hell is the API key? Crap, right? That's implicit on my stuff. Um, okay, is that... So it's like here to here. Sec. Sec. String? I don't know. This thing is like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. What? Okay. Capital G. Oh. Golang versus Rust. They're about the same. It's all in one spot in the Golang code because where the hell is the freaking thing? Oh, this cookie. Get asset location. So like it looks like fewer lines, but like this is doing stuff, that is doing stuff. And then like I have the struct definition as well. Oh my god. Okay. Thanks, chat. I would not have been able to do this that quickly. Okay, so now what I need to do is make this guy somewhere. Sec. Wrong. Surely if it compiles it works, right? Oh wait, this is Golang, not Rest. Lord Funk. Good. Can I U64 this? And it's like D. Alright, chillin'. Let's go. Go. Okay. The plumbing, there's so many layers. Has to go through all the layers. Oh. I mean, like a food coma. I had a nice big burrito. I'm gonna need to do more work after. In an hour. That'll be the challenge. All I gotta do is make an endpoint, call this function, get the damn string, put it in a ding dong, and we're good to go. You gotta click the button twice. It's like once you get it, and then next you download it. Oh. Oh. I don't know how to do that. Good. Yeah. Mm. Okay, well, I guess I can write down that there's an endpoint. Should it be a new category? Oof, mapper. The mapper. So all I need is just like a single guy. It's like asset location. And security, we do need that. Oh. Is that how you do that? I forget. Yeah, it is. Okay. Should I do like asset location like this? Uh, ain't nothing like that. Inquiry. Alright. Is there already? Yeah, okay. Um, int 64. Okay, but okay, okay. Yeah, that ought to do it. Okay. Um, your and then it's gonna use the stupid API key. Stupid. So I gotta go to the thing. So it's gonna be here. How? How do you deal with them keys. You could totally just do that, right? Value. Year. So how you're supposed to do it? Yes. Dance school. Wait, why is it okay? So now there's this stupid command line argument. And now I need to make a stupid thing on a stupid service. Where is a service, this guy? Ugh. Roblox, I guess. Something ridiculous like that. Roblox. Dot. Client. API key. Fring. RBX. API key. And then, okay, and then it needs the. This is Roblox. Yeah. Roblox. No. Yes. That guy. Yeah. And then does it just no, it's a pointer. How do you make a new client? It's gonna kill me if I do this, right? How do you make this? Transport round tripper. Client. Okay, there's gotta be stuff like this. Service. Serve. It's just doing like that. API.new server. Okay, so what? It's gonna be like HTTP default client. Is that good? Is the default client. What the hell does that mean? Alright, chat. How do I make an instance of client? Chat. Default client. Oh, okay. So you just like actually straight up, you just do that. What the hell? That is scary. Whoa, 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 whoa. Big news? Yo. Holy moly. Okay. So now I am. I'm looking for a command line or a command. I'm putting some client context into a guy somewhere and it just lives there. Um, add Roblox API client, I guess is the way. And then now I need to implement the thing. Oh, aha, I almost forgot. Burrito's coming back out. Where are we? Who did this? Who am I? What am I doing? This is maps. Go. That's true. Very true. True. So true. Just absolutely true. Okay, how do you do this? Oh. Oh, hell nah. Path. Okay. Sure, whatever you say, boss. Good. Do it. It don't work. Path parameters must be required. Okay. Shout about it. Bro. Is that how you do it? Am I stupid? In required. Okay, did I mess it up? No, those are all spaces. Okay, try again. It still doesn't work. Summary. What? Oh. Okay. So we do text is fine. Just text. That's it, right? You just do that. Text plain. Cool. Okay. How long is that? It's like a. Why did it do that? Pain. Okay, how long is that damn string? Ugh. Okay, is it gonna say? No, it's not gonna say. Okay. 794. Okay. So 1024 is like just over that limit. Or I guess it's safely over that limit. Okay. Great. Generate. Year. That's so much code, man. Oh, okay. Now it needs to exist. It needs to exist. So it doesn't exist anywhere in there. There's a new file called asset.go, I guess. Friggin'. And then we're just gonna be like this. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna say like that. Create audit event action. Oh, I don't want that. We're gonna get like this. It's gonna be like real easy. Real. So do it. Good. Okay. So get asset location, or is it just called asset location? It should be called get asset. No, it is called get asset location. So it's like asset ID location. Documentation. Okay. Oh, it's literally called asset location. I feel like that's not good. Action. Create. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. Asset location. Okay. Asset location params. And then they return a goddamn string. Stringus. Okay, and none of this is real. We go like svc dot go blocks dot that one, and then get asset latest request. There's one field, right? Okay, do it. Asset ID. Asset ID. Params dot asset ID. Okay. Asset location info. Turn something like that. Okay, why is it trolling me? Does it want a pointer string? Asset location okay. What the tarnation is that? Why? I have not seen that on any other things. What? Comment. Body. That's the pushing. Body. Pushing. Okay. So that's like because it's friggin' sucky. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Data. What? 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 Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Okay. So this can actually be an empty string, so that sucks. Why? Okay. It doesn't do it. It doesn't do it. Okay. Have API asset location params want it wants not a pointer? Make up your mind, man. Goofy, yeah. Golang. What's up? Parameter type. Okay. Um. That should do it for the back end. Should be good. So now I need to do it on the front end. So so now I need to make a button that calls this API and then opens a modal or something that has a download button. When it gets it, you gotta get it. I'm gonna get it. I don't know how to do that. Well, let's find the page. It has to be on both. So submit a map fix. No, it's maps only. Well, I guess actually I could put it on there as well. Shmish map fix. Shmish like that. Submit. Handle submit map fix. Here, there it is. Submit a map fix. So button. So button. Download. Why is it all spaces? Only show this button if user has map access permission. Um, should I get the version as well? Do I even have the version? No, I don't have the version. Okay, so I need help. I don't know how to do web. Why does it take so goddamn long? Good God. Uh, Okay, what's around? Handle copy ID. Alright, well, let's look for little doohickeys. Why? Just go here. Why is localhost here? Why? Oh man. It's so irritating that it like grabs the wrong URL. I really wish I could edit these. But if you try, it goes like pinned and it's like wrong. Good. Okay. What's the doohickey? Okay, go to the match page here. Submit a map fix. So there's no little doohickeys here. Where's the bit with the doohickey? Oh, it's in the... Non-free model. This is like exactly what I want from the title case thing. Where like the map name used to be called Stone Tower and then short in brackets. But like that doesn't look nice. So now they've shortened the name to just Stone Tower. That looks lovely. Wow. So I'm looking for doohickeys, like drop down thingies. I guess I could just like, I know where there is one. I can just look. Let's see. Operations page. Where's the drop down doohickey? We're gonna do something kind of like that. Container. What? Alert paper. What? Did collapse? Oh. But that's not quite it. It's more like it generates a download link for you, and then you have to click the download link. Rename the file to something sensible with a Yo, wait a second. I have the chat. Make a download button that make a button that fetches a download link. that you can then click to download a file. This is for a website using Material UI. Here's what I have so far. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Is that even possible? Alright, let's see how this goes. So we want like download button or something, and then we put like button. So API key, nice. Yeah, we don't need the header, so it remembered the header thing, but fortunately we're just allowed to do this from this context. JSON, it is very much not JSON. Yeah, text. Hell yeah. Uh, real. Wow. Wow. Okay. Map dot asset ID. Oh no. Don't have it. ID. Okay. 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 No, it's not. That's not it. That's not it. Okay. It's there though, right? ID. Oh, it is. It is the ID. Okay. I'm dummy. Okay. Um. Whatever. Display name. Um. Wow. What's up? I just had ChatGPT write a button for the website. I don't know how to make website things. Looks like it might do something though. Good. Okay. How do I do this then? Okay, I'm gonna have to make everything with Docker, and then I'll run the website locally, see if it all works. Good. Oh, we need permission. Um. Ooh. How do I hide the button? Less has map access is true. Please chat. Oh my god, is that easy? Oh my god. Download. Okay. Yes. Why did it do that? That was annoying. Nice one. Oh god. Why did it do that? Okay, so what permissions are downloaded on this page? Fetch maps. Get map. Ah. So what? Okay, I need to figure this out. Okay, so this page, how is it doing it? Map fixes, status, handle comment, response. Okay, so probably it's elsewhere. Let's see. Review buttons. How does it know? Status. Status. Is submitter. Item submitter. Status. Item dot status. Oh wow. Okay. So review buttons is used right here. No, it is not. It is actually used right here. Roles. Where does that come from? Roles. Use review data. And that comes from right here. Use review data. Roles. So I need this information. I can't be asked to do this. I mean, I guess it is that simple. Why? I don't understand the use effect. Like, why not dependencies and stuff? Like, what? Okay, so like you define a function, then call it. Like, what? Like, isn't that already a function right here? Huh? Is that because of the greedy nature of async, where it just immediately starts? Alright, so so um mm, okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. So get roles. Roles, set roles. It's like this, right? Session roles, roles. God. Set error. What did I just set error null? I feel like that's not gonna be helpful. I don't understand. Where did it go? Hooks. Oh, I'm on it. Wait, what? Oh, it is API session rules. Okay, give me that. We can just like use this exactly, right? Like exactly. I'm pretty sure we can just use this exactly. The entire thing exactly. What did I just copy? Oh. Okay, I guess not. So it wants this garbage. Okay. What's the point? Okay, whatever. Okay. I think that is like exactly exact. Console warn. Actually, there's an error thing. Whatever. Okay. So set roles Yahoo, and then this can be not real. And we can go roles contains. How do you do this? Review. Has role. Okay. Has role. Roles. Role. Map download. That's the one. That should be it. That's a deprecated. Don't care. Sheesh. Okay. So let's go directly to this. Okay, so there's no underlines. Cool. Okay, well, let's build the front end again. Make web. And see if it works. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay, that might be a full stack developer moment. I did the entire thing. I am minimally technically possibly able to do the full stack. Buh. Sick. All right. Docker. Run it. Yes. Yes. Okay. Error. What? Oh. Oh. Why would it break this though? Like I get like this can't find the API key thingy, but Jetstream doesn't depend on either of those. I feel like I shouldn't break it. Good. Not quite. Not quite working. Well, can I still look at it? No. Can't test it. I'm pretty dead. This is... Okay, I did a lot of work. It didn't take a lot of time though. To do. Add asset download API key to infra. That's another thing I gotta do last stream. Okay, well, so do you remember what I did last stream? No? Well, I'll tell you. Last stream, I implemented thing that adds maps to the group universe asset permissions. So Beha map test places, no, permissions, assets. So you can like submit a map and it's like, oh yeah, now you can load it in map test just off the website. But unfortunately, Roblox doesn't work. So we can't do this yet. But I did do all of the infrastructure API key things. There wasn't actually anything to do on the infrastructure. It was all API keys and deployment configuration. So this is going to be a similar thing. I need to add API key. Should be possible. X. I got a red X. What the hell? Oh, is it like full busted? Oh, it is. It's full busted. Okay. That's not terrible. I get to work on Rust, so I'm happy. Done. Oh, what happened to this? Okay, that's a... lie. Okay. Validation. Accepts. Okay. So, this one I can also rerun. Why can't I rerun it? What? Why can't I rerun it? Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm not logged in. Wait, what? Okay. Now I can rerun it. Alright, it's time for me to go. I have to go work on something else. The secret game. Yeah. But I got work done. I did stuff. Everything's fine. Why do I say everything's fine? It's because it's a short stream. I usually want to stream for at least 3 hours, but I'm just going to work on something else that's not on stream. That's why it's fine. Everything's fine. Stop asking. So, yeah, okay. I wrote down what I needed to do. There's a checklist item. Good. That should be good. Okay. Well, it's Friday, so I'll be back on Monday. I actually maybe I won't be because I'm like working on a thing now. So, yeah, I didn't actually expect to stream all week this week, but there wasn't a lot of activity on the secret game. But now we're doing it. So, wee. Okay. Goodbye. See you when I'm done. A month tops. I'll be working on this game. I'll probably stream regardless. But if I don't, about a month.